Welcome to Yon Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this Denon DCD-910 that has an issue with the door opening and closing. I'm just literally not responding or anything like that. So I will be attempting to fix this, and I'm sure it's probably the belt that is inside here that we need to access and change. So it's either broken or it's already loose, or it's just not elastic enough to where it's grabbing onto the wheel of the motor. All right, so we're gonna have to kind of force this open, and the only way to do it is to literally pull this and pretty much do this. And already I can see that there is a belt here that we can access, but it's probably best to take this off so we can see what we're doing and what we're dealing with. So I've already taken off the 4 screws that are on top, so it literally pulls up from the bottom or the top or the back, and then pull it out like that, and so we can access the or see the belt better. And I'll show you that like right there. And then as far as access here, you'll probably be able to see it right there. So if we kind of, there it is. So right now it's obviously not responding, or let's try it again. Nope, it's not responding. So let's go ahead and see what we can do when it comes to maybe replacing it. So the first thing we got to do is take it off. So you'll probably need one of these or some kind of pick tool, things like that. What you can do here is you can literally pull this out, and as you can see, you can probably see it there. We can lift it off from here, or you can do it from the top. But because we can do it from the top, we can take one side off, but the other one gets stuck. So we need to kind of push this in and then pretty much grab onto it. And pull it out this way. There you go. So here it is. Here's the belt. And let's go back a little bit here. So here's the belt, and it's probably not grabbing on. So if we hit this button, might be lucky that it might turn on us. There it is. I don't know if you could hear that. It's gonna keep moving. It's right there. Right there. So let's see if we can get this thing to work. And I have another belt, and you'll notice here that this belt should be about 10% smaller or so. So this should work. Okay, so as you can see there, this is already pretty much stretched out. And and these are square belts, okay? I believe, yeah, these are square belts. They're not rounded, they literally are square if you were to cut this. and you look at it from the side, it's a square belt. That's what they call square belts. Anyway, that just as easily as we pulled it out, we should be able to do the same thing and pull it back in. You could do it from here, or we can do it on top. We just got to make sure that it loops in. And then I'll try to do this to show you guys. So here's the belt, and it's already connected up there. Literally, we're just gonna loop it. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Because it's slipping. I think we got it. There you go. Oh no, this one came loose. So now that you know where it is, I can at least try to do it now. This way. If you could see that. There it is. So again, I was able to loop it in place. Let's see if it even actually does. There it is. I'll be honest with you, the belt is not in the right position, so, or looped the right way, so we're gonna have to do it again. Maybe that's why it's having a hard time. Okay. All right, now that we've got it in place, there it is. Now it's working. The button's sticking a little bit on this unit, but for the most part, yeah, I think you just have to wait. When it closes and opens all the way, then you can hit the button. All right, so that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all we wanted to do, is replace the belt, because if it doesn't open and close all the way through, you can't really play a CD. So let's go ahead and try playing one right now. Ah, there it is. And then the table of contents is red. And then we can hit the button. There you go. All right, so that's it. That's how you access the belt and how to change the belt. It's pretty easy. It's pretty much here. You just have to pry this open if it doesn't open for you. All right. Hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That is Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please comment.